the first office of WNS where we started. We are working with a very, very reputed business group like Godrej. It gives a very secure feeling. The management is such that actually you don't have to go to them. They reach out to you.
The operational team as well as the management team, they're always listening. And if there is any support that we need to make our operations smooth, they are there for us. So that's something, a trust that you can count on. Okay, they are there to make it happen for us.
I think Godrej team is fantastic, constantly asking us if things are okay, if we need any help. And even the top management, I've never seen or faced any issue reaching out to them as well. It's very rare that I have to reach out to them because the ground team is so good that you don't need to reach out.
So we had to work with Godrej to say that, listen, it's interrupting our regular operations, and they were very, very swift and quick enough to kind of get that addressed for us, both for us and as well for the company who's also trying to do in a faster timeline.
Most of the management team of Godrej are easily accessible, phone call away. We meet up at least twice or thrice in a year. It also helps our teams to cascade the future plans with the staff as well from a selling point perspective.
Probably when we were coming in, they also ensured that the best possible support is offered for us to be able to occupy and do our work, internal civil work and everything as quickly as possible to occupy the space.